Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna paint by number. This is one that I got for Christmas and I really had to try it right away, so that's why I already started on this before, but I thought let's do it on this channel too, like a paint with me, a paint by number with me. This is the first time that I'm doing a paint by number. I saw this once on Instagram, like paint by number for adults, because I did this when I was a child. I don't know if any of you did, but I certainly did. But then a whole lot easier, of course, because this is not the very easiest. But I thought it was a fun thing to try. So that's why I also wanted to share it with you in this video, because it's something fun and creative. And this doesn't cost you that much money. I believe this one cost around 25 euros or so. So it's really not that expensive, and it's actually like hours and hours worth of hobbying, and it's actually really fun and enjoyable. Now there are many different prints, many different paintings, many different styles. I really like this one because I just really like the countryside and nature, and this just seemed so calming to me. When I opened it, I kind of got scared by how many small things there were and how many numbers and how many little spaces that I had to paint. I don't paint regularly, like besides this, I never ever paint. So I am definitely a beginner, but so far this is going pretty well. Even though I did start with the bigger numbers, like the bigger spaces that I needed to paint, because I thought that was a good start. Just start big and then I can go smaller when I get the hang of it, like, you know, when I get to know the pencil better and stuff. Is that what you call it? Is it a pencil? No, brush. It's a brush. I thought I could do the smaller ones when I got to know the brush a little bit better. So I started big, but now I have to go smaller. So I thought instead of continuing the mountains that I was painting, let's move on to the trees to get some different colors in there, because I was just really looking forward to that. I was kind of done with the gray and bluish colors. I'm sorry, I have a cold. So I thought let's move on to the trees. So there are different ways to paint something like this. You could just go number by number and try and do everything, you know, number by number, but I like doing it more in sections, so that's why I don't just get one color and fill in all of the spaces of that color. I just go section by section. So I started off with the sky, now I'm moving on to the trees, and then I can move on to maybe one of the houses or the water or something like that. It's just whatever you prefer. So sometimes when I'm just kind of done with a certain color, I just move on to a different color because I want to do something else than what I've been doing for quite some time. And since I'm a beginner, you can also see that I mess up sometimes. It's not the most tidiest, but come on, these spaces are so small, and I don't know if it matters that much in the end if, you know, I spilled a little onto another small space. You know, I really don't think you notice because it all blends in together in the end. I do have to say, when I was painting this, I couldn't really, you know, make much sense out of it yet, but that was also the same with the sky, and the sky actually looks pretty good. So I think once you are done with it, it'll just come together, but while you're making it, it honestly seems just like random colors next to each other. But my honest review about painting by numbers for adults or even for children, you know, I think this is so fun to do. I think it's so relaxing, and like you have to concentrate. Like you can really lose your mind in this, you know, like you can just be completely sucked into painting this. You have to be concentrated for it. And it's honestly not that hard to concentrate for this. Like, I have a hard time concentrating on things, but this is not one of those things. Like, I'm a perfectionist, I'm very precise, so I really focus on painting along the lines, you know? So for me, it's definitely been a really fun hobby. It's just so easy to pick up and start. Like if you have like 50 minutes or half an hour to do something fun, then you can easily pick this up and continue where you left off. It is just so simple and so easy and just really fun to do. I definitely want to try and finish this. I really like to do stuff like this on this channel too, so I really hope that you enjoy stuff like this as well. Definitely let me know, or if you have any tips on how to make this more fun or entertaining for you. If you don't like it like this, maybe it's boring. I have no clue. I just thought it might be fun and relaxing. So let me know in the comments, and in the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, that was it for today's video. It was really a lot of fun. Let me know if you like more content like this in the future. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!